All right, thank you very much. We are back. Terry, this segment is for you. I know everything so far you've been enjoying, but this segment is for you. Why? Because it's brought to you by the folks at KNORR Sides and Sauces. Now, KNORR Sides and Sauces is for busy moms like you.
Okay.
Busy moms who on the go and need to put together something healthy and satisfying for their family. KNORR Sauces and Sides are for you. And for that, we have introduced to you Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles for a slice of Cheryl. Let's welcome Jacqueline Clifton as our celebrity taster, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands on Jacqueline Clifton. So you can actually get to taste the food when you come to Cup of Joe right here at Flavors at Fiesta. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, what are you doing for us tonight?
So tonight I decided to use the KNORR Teriyaki Noodles.
Teriyaki noodles.
Right.
Terry.
I call it. Yeah.
Teriyaki noodles!
Thank you, everyone.
Teriyaki noodles!
Should give you guys a cool sponsor, brand ambassador.
The brand ambassador.
Putting it out there.
So as you said, it's for busy people. I call it the one to eat.
One to eat.
One to eat.
One to eat. I like that.
Water on the stove, a little butter, oil, boil, pack it, cook it, eat it. Quick. It takes you about 7 minutes. So you get home. So the next thing too is you can add anything you want to. So you can add chicken, you can add fish, anything you
You
decide.
personalize it.
Right, so you can personalize it. Now I decided to take it a little
Further, because you're a chef.
Yeah. Well, we try. So I decided to make a taco with it. You know, sometimes we want to simplify, do a little something different. So I cooked mine and I put some corn in there, right? I have fish, some lettuce, some pineapple, cheese on top of it. And I also have a special sauce, which I call the bum bum sauce.
What you?
The bum bum sauce.
Why is that called the La Boom Boom
Is
sauce?
it spelled how I think it's spelled?
How you spell it?
And boom, boom.
Chef, what is in that sauce? What is in that
How you
sauce?
spell boom boom?
It's a secret. It is a little spiciness. It have a little ketchup. It have a little mayo, a little this, a little that.
Right, but why the name?
Why that
Quickly
name?
explain to the people why the name, Chef.
Please.
Please.
Because when you eat it, you get boom boom.
All right, it's getting worse. All right, let's go.
Okay.
No sauces and spices. Let's go, Chef.
So the thing about it, the twist in this is we're not really going to use taco shells. I took wonton skins, brushed them with some oil,
I have done it.
and turn the muffin cup over. Took the wonton skins and placed them between the spaces, and we got them like this.
Oh.
So it came crisp, just like if you fried
Friday.
Right. And we have the fish, so I'm going to put the fish in the stove a little bit to heat it up.
What type of fish is that?
I use mahi. You could use any type of fish. Mahi.
Oh, mahi.
But could you use curried kingfish?
Any fish you like.
Yeah.
You know, you can use. Right? Put it in there a little bit. And then we'll start to build.
That's Bill.
Let's go. So we'll use our packet over here. So the first thing is we take some of our teriyaki noodles.
Take some of your teriyaki
Love it.
noodles.
Right? Some fish. Hey, leave my bum bum.
And the boom boom going over.
Some lettuce.
It's like a taco burger.
It's a taco,
Exactly,
yeah.
that's what it is. Your pine.
And some cheese.
And
you
your
put
bum bum.
And the bumbo!
bite.
So let's plate up one more for
Auntie Jackie, we
I
cannot
will
leave
roll
out
up
Auntie
my
Jackie
Jackie.
sleeves.
Clifton is in the house.
Wouldn't it taste like boom boom?
So you can really use these products very versatile.
It's very versatile.
Yes, of course, Chef Cheryl could have plated this and probably had the normal people would have probably just put the fish at the side and have some noodles and fish. Cheryl decided to do a taco.
Make a taco burger.
Yeah, to do a nice little taco with all the ingredients of the teriyaki noodles by KNORR. I see an ambassadorship coming. Yeah. I see a brand ambassador in the making. So please guys, go out and check it out. KNORR's new sauces and sides on the market, and it's finished by the boom boom sauce. I said that more than once. Terry, how are you going across there? Jackie?
As usual.
Yeah. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, thank you very much. It's all brought to you by the folks at KNORR. We are coming back right up after this. It's happy hour time.